Alpine MDF is a manufacturer of MDF products based here in Wangaratta. So we make MDF using FFC certified wood fibre, resin and wax mixed together, ran through a press with heat and pressure, which then creates an MDF substrate. So the MDF we use for the designer groove is different because it's MDI based resin, which is a polyurethane based resin, and it doesn't break down with contact with moisture. It also has no added formaldehyde. And Alpine are the only manufacturer of MDI resins in Australia. The boil test is used as an advanced weathering test to simulate a high moisture environment over many years. And what it shows is that standard E0 products break down very quickly. Moisture resistant products, which is currently used in the other VJ products on the market. This product will hold integrity better but also break down, and MDI products don't break down at all with only minor swelling. So we now have the option of using an MDF product in a bathroom or laundry wet area.
At added value, we take raw material from the production plant and we undercoat, shape, prime and make the product fit for purpose out in the market, ready to paint.
The VJ Designer Groove has 3 different profiles available: the V100, the V150 and the Regency. The V100 and V150 are essentially the same profile other than the distance between the grooves. The Regency has a totally different look altogether. And we're thrilled to offer the VJ Designer Groove exclusively through our distribution partner, ForestOne.